Hey friend, hey, welcome to Stay Calm and Budget. Thank you for coming back. Today, we're gonna do a budget with me. Stay tuned. Hey friend, hey, welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to do a budget with me. We're still using the Easy Cash Budget Planner from Selisa's storefront on Amazon. Her YouTube channel is Beautifully Me and You. Go check her out. She's an awesome budgeter. And she created this, and this is what we're going to continue to use for now. So let me move you guys in so you can see what I have. Okay, so what I have done already is to save time, because I was told that I write kind of slow, so I decided to go ahead and write it in here for you guys. And again, I'm always trying to maneuver and make sure you can see everything. Hopefully you can see that. All right, so what I did, like I said, I already wrote down all of the main categories, all of my bills, all of my sinking funds, my savings, and down here my cash envelopes. So we're just going to fill in the amounts, and we're going to see how much we're going to be stuffing. Yeah. All right, so let's use... I have these little Sharpies. I like them. They're ultra fine point permanent Sharpies. So I only have 3 colors, but I like them anyway. So this time around, and you guys, you know what? I realize I say so a lot. It's a filler word, and I don't know what else to say. So we're just going to keep saying so. The house income, everyone in the house brought in $6,826.50, and we always have an extra that we get, which is $200. So our happy calculator, let's add this up. $6,826.50 plus 200. So we have $7,026.50 that we're going to divvy out from bills and sinking funds. Alrighty, so hold on tight and let me go ahead and write all these numbers down. Alrighty, so all of the bill amounts have been added in. These bills are all the bills starting from the 3rd week of the month up until the middle of the next month. So that's how I do my bills. So my first paycheck for the month includes, of course, your mortgage, and then any other bills that are from like the 23rd through the 13th, 14th, 15th of the next month. So that's why it might seem like I have a lot of bills, but that's why I have all of these broken down the way I do. And some of these are constantly getting paid every time I get paid. Like for daycare, I paid $310 every time I get paid because I like to be ahead. Also with the Sun Pass, we have to pay that because we have tolls going to and from work. So that's why we have these items like that. So let's add up this amount. Again, we have that $7,026.50 that we're going to be working on. All right. Alrighty, so all of our bills total up to $4,028.45. So taking, there's that sew again, sew buttons. Taking the total amount that we have for our income, $7,026.50, and we're going to subtract it from our total of our bills, which is $4,028.45. So that gives me $2,998.05 that I am able to stuff this go round. Wow, hallelujah. So let's bring this down here, $2,998.05. Remember, after a while we will be dropping that cents because we're going to be working with whole numbers. Okay, let me see if I move my little binders from here. And I have a little bit more space to work with. All right, guys. Let's move up a little bit. Okay, so now we're working with our groceries. So this go around, groceries is going to get $400. And remember, we always take that $200 and we send it to my credit card because that's going to HelloFresh. I did up it from the $300 because this go around we have to purchase a big bag of food to last Pumbaa for at least about a month and a half. He's a big dog. He's about 150 pounds. So yeah. If you know, you know. I don't know if y'all have dogs, but that's a big man right there. And that's the man of the house. So my wife gets $150 for gas and her $100 for her personal. I get, everybody say it with me, $200 for that beautiful beast outside because I'm the chauffeur. There should be a song, right? Okay, anyway, I get $100 for my personal, so we're gonna add these up. Let's clear the calculator. We have 400 plus 150 plus 100 plus 200 plus another 100. That gives us $950 for our cash envelopes. So let's take this 2998. I'm going to go ahead and drop that 5 cents right there. And we're going to subtract our cash envelope amount. That gives me $2,048 that I'm able to stuff into my sinking funds. So let's move it on down and move it over. All right, so let me go ahead and fill in these sinking funds. A lot of people ask me what are sinking funds, and how I can describe it as it's little savings accounts that you have. And if there's something that you are wanting to save towards, like Christmas or vacation, and you have a certain amount of time that you want to save up for that, then create a little wallet. It doesn't have to be, as intricate as you see some of the budgeters on Facebook. It can just be an envelope, but you just create that and you divvy up how much you want to put in it to meet that goal for Christmas or to meet that goal for your vacation or anything that you want it for. So it's like a little savings fund. I have a lot of sinking funds. A lot of people have more than I do. A lot of people have less than I do. So it's just all in what you want to make your sinking funds for. So with that being said, let me go ahead and put in my amounts. HOA, 63, 50, 20, 20, 20, 20, Okay, so you see how I have some of these that are highlighted, and these ones that are highlighted in yellow, I use Jasmine from Oh My Fro, or also Baddies and Budgets. I'm using her savings challenges to fund my sinking funds. So these ones are going to be stuffed in a separate video versus my other sinking funds that you see that are not highlighted. So let's add these up. Again, we're still working with the $2,048 that we have left over after our cash envelopes. And let's see, 63. All right, so our total comes out to $738. And let's take that $738 from our $2,048. And we're left with $1,310 that we have remaining. So let's move on up, moving on up to the east side. Okay, so my gifts, I do $5. Citizen 1. So I'm excited about this, you guys, and I don't know how long you've been watching me, but hopefully you'll go back and watch some of my videos. But I started stuffing this late December, early January, and I continue to put it also in my bills section to pay the minimum amount, but I also took extra money or an extra payment and stuffed it into an envelope so that I can be able to, you know, just pay it all off in one swoop. So this is green because I have enough left over to pay in full what is owed on our first debt, our first loan that we're going to get rid of for the year 2022. So I am, when I say I'm excited, my wife, she was like, "You're a weirdo. I've never seen someone so excited about paying a bill." Yeah, I'm excited. I'll be a weirdo. I don't care. So with that being said, I am throwing a whopping $1,143. I'm gonna say 19 cents because that's the cents on it, but that's how much I'm gonna be throwing at it. And I'll show here what is actually owed. And when I talk about stuffing this in the savings challenge video, I started out with $1,693, but with me still paying the minimum amount and then stuffing the extra cash, it was less than what I originally started out with, of course. So to get that balance down and out, that's how much money I have to put to it. Woo, woo, woo. Y'all just don't know how happy I am. All right, so with that being said, what I did is whatever remaining balance that I had, that is what I was going to put to my 100 envelope challenge. So let's see, we have $1,310 that we were left from our original sinking funds up here. So with the extra savings, I'm going to go ahead and subtract gifts, which gives me $1,305. Friend, again, my recording stopped. So the last thing that you saw me do was fill this out. As you see, I'm already down here. So let me walk you through what didn't record. I took what was left over from what I had with the $1,143 and the $5, subtracting all of that from the $1,310, which gave me $162 that I'm going to put to my 100 envelope challenge. Anything else that I put to it, it will be probably anything that I am pulling out of my wallet, or I might just go ahead and roll it over to our new loan that we're going to be starting after this one. So adding these up, as you see, it comes out to $1,310, which will give me a zero-based budget. So to check all of our numbers, we're going to take our income and subtract all numbers below it. We should come out with $0 if we did it correctly. All right. $7,026.50. Subtract $950. Subtract $738. Subtract $1,310. Subtract $4,028.45. Alrighty, so it says 5 cents, but that right there, my friend, is a zero-based budget, and I'm getting so much better with this. Usually it takes me about like 3 hours to go through the budget, but I did this and I was like, man, I don't know what else to do. I did my budget. I don't know what else to do. I did it too fast. But anywho, this is our budget. We are going to be stuffing $2,998 for our cash stuffing video. Thank you guys for making it all the way to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about my budget. If I can help you on your budget, maybe you have some questions, anything. So just let me know. Just give me a heart. Matter of fact, if you made it to the end of this video, hit a purple heart for me. That's my favorite color anyway. But keep it going, keep it moving, keep it growing. You guys got this. I believe in you. You can do it just like I can do it. And until we do this cash stuffing, I see you later.